Hello guys,
Welcome back to my channel.
it's me Miley,
And it's me, Kid Nelson.
and today we are messing with our take that part. Slime. So let's get started.
Let's do some tricks with it. Alright. I'm going to do a handstand with it on my hand. This line.
Go.
Ready guys?
Hear that music in the background. Go. Check it out. Oh. Guys, don't pee your pants from laughing. Okay, it's my turn to try it. I bet I'll do pretty good on it.
It's hard. Let me try that again. Retry.
Woo!
Retry for me.
Slime's on. Oh! Oh, no one's back, yo!
Hey, I was doing a slide.
We're playing with the slime.
Slide.
Look, guys.
Cartwheel.
Cartwheel. No, you're missing slime.
No, I'm not. Yeah, you are. I'm going to touch it.
Here, touch it. Owen, just touch. Watch this, guys.
Making pizza. Let's play catch.
Oh yeah, make a pizza and like toss it.
Yeah.
No, wait, let's play catch first.
Okay.
Let's get the dough rolling. Get it rolling.
No rolling.
Get it rolling. Guys, this is so.
Roll it. Catch it.
Okay, we're gonna flatten the dough.
Let's go, guys. Flatten the dough. And remember our other video, just go check that out.
Where's the container? Where's the container?
Here's the lid. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna take the camera. Okay.
Flatten the dough. Flatten the dough. That was the wonderful start of the video.
Okay, now let's play with the slime. We're gonna have a slime fight. I'm gonna split this up, and we're both gonna have some. Let's get that. Here, Kendall. I got you some. Now we're gonna throw it at each other. Yep, throw it, because it's not sticky. Boom, boom, boom. And it's hitting the carpet. Ready? Yonder! If you hit them, you win. No! Okay, she won.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Okay, she won 2 rounds, man. Okay. Don't start yet.
Owen, what's this movie?
Go. Okay. Keep it in mind that your slime might get a little dirty.
Go. Hit you. Did I hit you?
Yeah.
Try to get it to collide in the air.
Ready?
What'd you say? Make it
Try to
collide.
make them collide into the air.
Okay.
See if they'll stick together.
Ready?
Go.
Oh, that
Oh!
was close.
Ready? Go.
Oh.
Go. Yeah! They hit in the air. Okay, ready, guys? Go. Ready? Go. Here, play jump rope. Ah, I got on my sock.
Guys, sorry we're not paying much attention to you.
Oh, when you make a better door than a window.
Makes better what?
Door than a window. Owen! Hey, Owen. Stop.
Sorry, guys.
Owen, give that back to the girls or you don't get any more.
Sorry about that.
Keep going, though.
Oh my gosh, guys. That was crazy. Here, I'll put it in the middle again.
It's already open. This is upstairs.
Here. Watch, guys.
Football. No, look,
I just like threw it on the couch. Okay, ready? Go. I'm gonna throw it at you guys. Go.
feet. Feel how good it feels on your foot. Take your socks off. Feels weird.
Oh my gosh, it feels so good, guys.
I know.
Go check it out at It's so much fun to play with. It's so much fun to make. So go check it out.
We're not giving you the secret ingredient.
Here, Mommy. Set it down on the floor, please.
I'm not telling you how to make it, guys.
Yeah, it's our secret.
We have to get 200 subscribers, and
And
we'll tell
then
you
we will show you how to make it.
and tell you.
Yeah.
But we have to get 200 subscribers in each video.
We have to get 2,000 subscribers.
200. 200, guys. Go to 200.
It's so much fun to make videos with you guys.
And then leave in the comments below what your favorite pizza is, and we'll send it to you.
Yeah.
Free pizza. If. And then if
Give
you
a
want,
shout out
and
to the 3 Step Bros and McKenna, Hartman, and the Funny Girls. Shout out to those 3 people. Remember, go check out 3 Step Bros, McKenna Hartman, and Funny Girls. My page. Go check out my page
Me.
at Funny Girls.
Guys, listen to this song.
Hey Siri, ever heard of a YouTube? Here, Kindle.
Guys, see you later. This song wants to say to all of you out there.
Wait, I want to make.
What happened?
What happened? Oh my God! Sorry guys. That was fun. Wait. What'd you do?
I didn't click anything. It was from the
Okay, the video's running. Hold on, I'm gonna throw this out the camera. This one? Guys, go